Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy the Kiba Inu token using Trust Wallet and Uniswap. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step everything they have to do in order to buy this token. But before we get started here, I just want to remind everyone that I do have daily cryptocurrency content coming out on my channel. So if you guys are interested in this space and you want to learn more about crypto and this surrounding space, I really recommend you guys would consider subscribing, as I'll have daily content coming out from here on out. Anyhow, all we have to do to start off with this is open up our Trust Wallets. So we just go ahead and open that up. I'm just going to let you guys know as well, I'm not going to show you how to create your Trust Wallet in this video or how to buy or transfer Ethereum inside of this video here. If you have not done that yet, I'll have separate tutorials for both of those things in the description and in the comment section down below if that is needed. So you just want to make sure you have your Ethereum inside of your Trust Wallet first, and then you can continue on with this video. So once you have your Ethereum inside of your Trust Wallets here, all we have to do is go ahead and get the contract address for this token. Now I'll have a link in the description for CoinMarketCap, so we can go over that link that I have there to get the contract address, and then we'll come back to our Trust Wallets. So let's go ahead over to CoinMarketCap, and then I'll show you what to do next. Once you're on CoinMarketCap here, all we have to do is go down to where we see contracts. All the way over to the right, you'll see two little squares. You just want to go ahead and click on that. Once you click on that, it will then copy the address for us. We can now head back into our Trust Wallets. And once we're back in our Trust Wallet here, all we want to do is go to the top right of our screen where we see the two lines and two circles and click on that. We can then paste the contract address for this token up in the top search here. Once we do that, we'll see no assets found, add custom token. So we can go ahead and click on add custom token. We could leave the network on Ethereum here, and then we can just go ahead and paste the contract address in. Everything else that we need will automatically load in for us. So then we can just go to the top right corner of the screen and click on save. Now, once we have that, we'll have a spot for the token to go. So now all we have to do is head over to the exchange. So I'll have a link over to Uniswap in the description as well as in the comment section. But of course, as always, you guys can go ahead and Google Uniswap yourselves and then head over to Uniswap, and then I'll show you guys what to do once you're there. Now, once you're on Uniswap here, the first thing that we have to do is just go up to the top where we see Connect Wallet and click on Connect Wallet. Then we just want to click on Wallet Connect. Once we click on Wallet Connect, we'll see a couple different options for our preferred wallets. Now, MetaMask is a very popular wallet, so you guys can use that one as well as any one of these ones that you see here. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys with Trust Wallet, so we're going to go ahead and click on Trust Wallet. When we click on Trust Wallet, it's going to open up this connection screen asking us to connect Uniswap over to our Trust Wallets here so we can spend our Ethereum and swap our Ethereum. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Connect and then head back over to the Uniswap exchange. Now, once you're back in Uniswap here, you'll know your wallet's connected when you see your wallet address up in the top corner here, as well as your balance of Ethereum right below Ethereum right here. Now, all we have to do is click on Select a Token, and then we just have to paste in that contract address one more time. Once we do that, we'll see the Kiba Inu token pop up here, so we can go ahead and click on Import, and then import one more time. Now, all we have to do is change our slippage tolerance. So we just go to this little settings gear beside swap here, click on that, we'll see slippage tolerance. Now, a lot of coins do work on auto, so you can try doing it on auto the first time, but if that does not work, I'd recommend starting off with 12% slippage tolerance. So you can just go right here and change your slippage tolerance to 12%, or you might have to do higher if the transaction does not go through. So just be aware of that. It all depends on the liquidity of the token at the time that you guys are trying to do this. So just be aware of that, as it might change, so I don't want to give you guys a certain number. Anyhow, I would start off with auto and then move on to the percentages if need be. Anyways, once you're done that there, you can back out. And now all I have to do is decide how much Ethereum that we want to transfer into this token. So let's just say, for example, I want to do 0.5 Ethereum. I can go ahead and put in 0.5 Ethereum. And then it will show me how much of the Kiba Inu token I'll get in exchange for my Ethereum. Now, if you guys are comfortable with this, you can go ahead and click on Swap where it says insufficient ETH balance for me. Once you guys click on Swap, you're going to see your gas fees and your withdrawal rates and things like that. Now, I am aware Ethereum's price is going crazy right now. So unfortunately, the gas fees are insane right now. There is no way around that. That's just how it is when you're working on the Ethereum chain. It does depend on the price of Ethereum, so just be aware of that. So if you aren't spending a lot on these coins, the gas fees are going to be pretty insane. So just be aware of that and make sure you're comfortable and you totally understand that before you go ahead in these tokens. You will have to pay the gas when you buy the tokens and when you sell. So just be aware of that before you go ahead and purchase these tokens. But if you guys are okay with that and you understand that, you can go ahead and go through with this token at this point. Once you click on swap though, you should get a successful transaction notice as long as your fees and your slippage tolerance is good. And once you do that, you get a successful transaction notice. You can then back out of here, go back into your Trust Wallets, and then the token will arrive here usually within a couple minutes. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out, showing you guys how to buy the Kiba Inu token using Trust Wallet and Uniswap. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.